to my channel. So today we're talking about this Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Nourishing Oat Cleanser that I have right here, and I absolutely love the packaging. Like, it's so simple, straight to the point, and I actually love how I can actually see like the product, like you know how much is left in here. So on the very back right here we have a little description about the product, and then we have the ingredients listed. And I have to say, you know, it can be a little bit hard to read like the back of it, because especially like when you use some of it, it's not that easy to read. But anyways, so aside from this, so this cleanser right here, I have somewhat of like a love-hate relationship. Like, depending on what season you use this face cleanser, you're gonna love it or you're probably gonna hate it. Okay, so for me, I have combination and sensitive skin, and sometimes when my skin gets really sensitive, like especially like around my cheek areas right here, like you will see it gets so red, and you'll see my freckles, my red lines all pop up. You know, I know obviously you can't really see this right now because I am wearing makeup, but you know, if you watch my other skincare video reviews, you definitely can see like right here a lot is going on. Okay, so especially in the summertime when it's hot, like those like red spots, they just like pop up here and there. And I was hoping, because you know oatmeal is actually really good for sensitive and combination skin, like it's supposed to help like calm your skin, it's supposed to help like reduce like the redness and stuff. And for me, it did not work out. Like in the summertime, like this did not clean my skin well, because I don't know what happened, but this year during summertime, my skin produced so much oil. It has never happened before. I don't know, is it because of it's an age thing, or is it because it's a weather thing, or what it is, but I produced so much oil to a point where I literally had to wash my face 3 times a day. Like, it was that crazy. So obviously this cleanser right here, it did not work out for me. But now, since because it is the fall season, like it's a little bit more cooler, I don't really produce that much oil, and this cleanser actually works well for that season. So which is why I kind of have like a love-hate relationship. Like, I kind of like it, but then also I don't like it, you know. So depending on the season that you use this face wash could work or could not work for you. So if any of you guys who have oily skin, I would not highly recommend to use this, because it's not gonna clean your skin. Like, you feel like there's just something like kind of like a bit of like a residue like left over after using this. But if you have like sensitive, combination, or like normal skin type, this one will definitely work really well. The thing is with this cleanser is that it doesn't foam up, like versus other cleansers I have tried and used. It's kind of like, I want to say it's kind of like a gel texture like cleanser. Like when you first like pump it out, you can feel like it's a little bit sticky, but then it's very like gel type. So and then when you go to like apply it and like massage it into your face, like it just looks very like jelly, kind of like no foaming or anything at all. And as for scent wise, in the front right here it says fragrance free, but for those of you guys who have like very like strong like sense of smell, like if you like smell this face wash right here, you could smell there is like a bit of a scent to it, but you can't really like put like a name for the scent of it, because it's very like neutral, very like light. So if any of you guys who have tried this face wash, you know, let me know, what do you guys think? You guys like it? Do you guys hate it? Or does this face wash work out for you or not? I would actually love to hear that. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.